your sweets.
Yeah, open this one. Lauren, this is for you too.
Maybe that should have been her last one.
Oh,
delicious.
yummy. Well,
yeah.
we usually do stockings first, but it's probably good we leave that till the end.
I think so.
Items in there.
Yeah.
Won't say
I think she liked this gift a lot.
I guess. I wouldn't have thought.
Yeah, she did.
She says I want them on. She's very particular about when she wants shoes on and off.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, she's very.
Apparently now it's not the on time.
I think these are the darling little things. They're very soft and snug. I have never seen anything like that. That's so cute.
Oh, where
Are you gonna open up your stockings?
You want me to do that first? Okay. Here, Lauren, open this. Look, that's for you. See what's in there. Pull, here, pull this. Hey, Lauren. All right, whatever. Go over here.
She goes, I'm busy with my cake supplies.
You want to open yours too?
Let me see, do the Mary Beth while you're opening.
Lauren, what kind of cake is that?
You didn't even wrap it.
Hey, cool.
Vitamins.
Good for you.
Ooh, with ginger too.
With what?
With ginger.
That's good for you. Yeah, that was nice. We don't want
Yeah,
you
that's
to
cool. Definitely use that.
That's for you. You got it in the wrong bag.
Ah!
The battery's flashing.
Oh. Oh, ginger juice.
You may need
She
some
must think I'm really sick.
Yeah, since you were up this morning puking.
You want to bite?